Hi everybody, it's Saltash Maths Tutor, and yes, it's time for fraction to decimal workout. About 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is whack up the question, pause the video, you have a go, and then I'll work through it. Not much explanation, because if you need to, go back to the tutorial video. Okay, here we go. So, okay, here's the first one. What is a third as a decimal? Go through the procedure, pause the video, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to go almost from the first principles. So what do I know? Well, I know a half equals 0.5. How do I get that? Yep, it's 2 into 1, isn't it? Yep, that's how it works. 2 into 1 doesn't go. Carry the 1 over. 2 into the 10 goes 5. Okay, so that's the principle. So I'm going to have 3 into 1. 3 into 1 doesn't go. Put the point up there. I know I'm talking to myself, but hopefully it's helping you. Put that there. 3 into 10 goes 3 threes are 9, so it's 3. Remainder 1. That's 3, and that actually goes on and on and on. So the answer is 0.33, depending on your decimal places, or you could write that as 0.3. Remember, we put the dot above it to say that 3 just goes on and on and on forever. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, question number 2. Pause here. Okay, let's see how you did. Again, I'm going to do the same thing again. I know half equals 0.5. That's a naught, everybody. And so I know that it's 2 into bus stop. That's okay, so I'm just going to follow that pattern. See how I'm not remembering these formulas here, everybody? Just getting on with it and doing something that I know already. Okay, so it's got to be, the bottom number goes there, into 3 decimal 0 0 0. That's got to be it. Okay, so let's work that out. 5 into 3 doesn't go. Bring up the decimal point, carry over the 3. So I'm effectively working out 5's now into 30. And I've put the wrong colour on the top. There we go, that's better. So 5's in 38, 6. And that's it. 3/5 equals 0.6. It's as easy as that, everyone. Okay, here's the next one, 1/8. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back. So again, I know this bit here, which leads me to do this bit. So therefore I've got to have 8 into 1. 8 into 1 doesn't go. Carry over 1. So I'm going to go 8 into 10, go 1, remainder 2. 8 into 20 go, or 2 8 is 16, so that's they go in twice, remainder 4. And 8 into 40 go 5, so there's the answer, an eighth equals 0.125. Okay, for the next few, I'm not going to be doing this bit down here, that's for you to do if you need to. I'm just going to go straight into the question itself. Okay, so here's the next one, 5/7, have a go. Pause the video. Okay, so here we are, 5/7, so that's 7, 5, just following the pattern, shove a few noughts in there, and we'll do this one to 3 decimal places. So we're gonna do it something point something something something. That's what we're going to work out. That's not mathematical, by the way, everybody. The something something, that's just me talking. 7 into 5 doesn't go. Bring the naught up. Carry over the 5. So we're now going to do 7's into 50. And as you all know, 7's are 49. Put a 7 in there, that remainder 1, which gives me 10. 7 into 10 goes 1, remainder 3. 7 into 30 goes, well, 4 7's are 28, is that right? Yes, it is. 4, and then there'd be a bit more. So, very roughly, 5/7 equals 0.714. Okay, 4/5 is the next one. Pause the video, have a go. Okay, so here we go, working it out. So that is 5 into 4. 5, and I don't know how far we're going to go this way. If we need to, we'll go to, say, just 3 decimal places. 5 into 4 doesn't go. Put the decimal in, that makes that 40. 5's into 40. 5, 8. It's 8. Oh, I didn't need to go that far. Okay, it doesn't matter. But hey, we were ready for it, weren't we? So 4/5 equals 0.8. And that sort of makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, here's the next one. A quarter. Hey, you're all going, but a quarter equals 0.25. And you may be even saying, what's the point? Why is he telling me to do this? Well, go on, prove it to me. Prove it to me with this maths. So, don't know if you've paused, but pause it. Have a go. Okay, here we go. It's 4 into 1. We shove a couple of noughts down. Hopefully it's 0.25. 4 into 1 doesn't go. Carry over the 4. 4 into 40. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? It's 1. 4 into 10. 2. Remainder 2. 4 into 20. 5. Yep, I have got the right answer. Got to be good. Okay, 2 over 9. You have a go. Okay, that has got to equal then. So we've got 9. 2. Shove a couple of, a few noughts in there. And 9 into 2, that doesn't go, decimal point, put 2 there. 9 into 20, well, 2 9s are 18, so it goes twice, remainder 2. 9 into 20, we're in a bit of a cycle here, aren't we? It's 18, so that's twice, remainder 2, and that's going to go on forever. So actually, 2 over 9 equals 0.2, dot over the top, recurring. Okay, so final one is, what does a sixth equal as a decimal? Okay, pause the video. Okay, so what would we have got? 6. Bus stop. Put my 1 in. 6 into 1 doesn't go. Bring up the decimal. 1 goes over there. 6 into 10 goes once, remainder 4. 6 into 40, 6 sixes are 36, so 6, remainder 4. Hey, we're in that cycle again, 6 into 40, 36, 6, and on and on and on. So the answer is 1/6 equals 0.16, and then that 6 just recurs over and over and over again. Okay, so with that 7 minutes and 45 seconds of quickfire fraction to decimal workout. I hope now that you're feeling a bit better about the whole thing. If not, review. If not, have another go. Okay, that was it. Saltash Maths Tutor. Thank you very much.